Hey, girl. Hi. Hi, girl. See, Zoe? That's how it's done. You're like all lethargic and zombie-ish. Look at Zeus. Look at Zeus. Hey, Joe.
No, Bubba. No.
What? Look who's back. Oh.
That's it. 963.
Oh, yeah. You already know what's happening over here. Rainbows all day, every day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. Today we're here with Elijah, guest starring over here. Say what's up, Elijah. Yeah, anyways, today we're going to be showcasing some toys. Okay, maybe not that one. We got this cool
Please
ball.
drive to highlighted route.
It's a ball and a ball. Yeah, and here, go ahead. Show him, Elijah. Show him what it does.
Let's go. It's going in.
Nice.
Got Bonnie one now.
Ronnie?
Nice one, Elijah.
Oh, I gotta go get ice. I'll be
Anyways, thank you for watching my new video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Catch you later.